how to quickly open the notification panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to quick settings panel. So just swipe down and you will see click on notification settings. After click on notification setting, you will see app notification is open. So you will select app from here. After select app, click on app and turn on app notification button. After turn on this button, you will see turn on sound and vibration. After turn on sound and vibration, select lock screen, app icon badges and notification pop up. After select, you will see after the process, go back and you will select any app from here and you will see turn on sound and vibration. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how to quickly open the notification panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.